what happens if you've been left out of a will or not adequately provided for. In New South Wales, if you've been left out of a will or not adequately provided for, then you may be able to bring a family provisions claim if you're an eligible person. Under the Succession Act, an eligible person includes a spouse, a de facto including a same-sex partner, former spouse, child including an adopted child, a person who was at a particular time wholly or partly dependent on the deceased and is a grandchild or was a member of the deceased household, and a person who at the time of death had a close personal relationship with the deceased. It is important to note that strict time limits apply and a claim must be filed within 12 months of the deceased's death unless the court otherwise orders. A claim is commenced by filing a summons and supporting affidavit in the Supreme Court. The claim will be determined on the facts, and you must show that there has not been adequate provision for your maintenance, education or advancement in life. A court will consider a number of factors including your relationship with the deceased, the size of the estate, your financial circumstances including your financial resources and your earning capacity, the financial circumstances of other beneficiaries and eligible persons, whether any provisions were made for you by the deceased in your lifetime, whether you provided any financial or non-financial support to the deceased in their lifetime, and the adequacy of the provision made in the will for your maintenance, education, advancement of life, and any other matters the court considers relevant. All of your circumstances will be placed before the court in your affidavit evidence, and the estate will file its own affidavit evidence. The court will then refer your matter to a compulsory mediation to see if the case can be resolved. Most cases do resolve at mediation. If, however, your case does not resolve at mediation, it will come back before the court and a hearing date will be appointed, which is normally within 12 to 18 months of your claim being started.